Chad here with Purple Collar Life, and in today's video, just 3 quick things that I've been accumulating for this year's camp season. I'm always on the lookout throughout the winter season for things that make our RV camping more enjoyable, easier, more fun. So here's a couple things I found this winter that have really made camping so far this year much more fun. Of course, we already had the Jackery 300, but I've never shown you the Solar Saga 100 Jackery solar panel. Now this is one of the things that I'm really appreciating this year because this is also mobile. You know, the Jackery 300 is lightweight, it's easy to use. I use it to power the laptop. Solar panel, charging the Jackery, allowing me to edit a video on my laptop, and charging a flashlight and my phone in the process. It's got USB charging ports, and we've done a whole video about this that I'll put a link to up above. But the Solar Saga 100 solar panel makes this even easier because it's all mobile. These close up, they're easy to carry around. They've got a built-in system for leaning back into the sunshine. The cord's all built in with a zipper, keeps everything contained, which is really nice. And then they're so lightweight, you can just set them out, aim them towards the sunshine. So in this case, I'd face them towards the lake. And then I'm gaining power in the Jackery just from the sun. So this works nicely. I can charge this up during the daytime. We use it at nighttime for one of the other things that I'm enjoying so far this summer camping. So we'll talk about that next. You can see here we're bringing in 30 to 42 watts from the panels, and we're sending out 53 watts, running the laptop and charging the flashlight and the phone. So as a reminder, when we're dry camping, it's not like we're in a tent or a small pop-up camper. We've got a big fifth wheel here. We haul this around and we find campsites that we really like against the backdrop of a lake or some water, somewhere we can do some boating. So when we dry camp, and I've done a video about this, we're talking about large RV dry camping. Another inexpensive thing that we've added this year for camping that's been really nice is this string of LED bulbs. So I've got this strung around our little pop-up canopy here, and that gives us a nice nighttime work area. Last night we had mountain pies, we made pizza pies. It was nice to be able to sit in here and play cards and eat and make dinner. And you can see this is powered just with a USB cord, and it's another great use for the Jackery 300. Just plug it in, turn the USB port on, and we've got lights around our canopy here. Again, just a nice little inexpensive addition that makes camp a little bit better. And it doesn't use much power, only about 3 watts of electricity from the Jackery. Another thing that's really been our favorite this year is this Norseeva Love Seat. This has been probably the most popular chair that we've had actually last fall and this summer so far camping. This looks a little bit similar to a very popular Kelty chair. Those chairs are a little bit more expensive and really difficult to find. We had some friends come down and visit from Alaska, and they had one of those nice Kelty chairs. I did a lot of research on them, but they're just about impossible to find right now. Now this one, the Norseeva brand, you can find on Amazon. I'll put the Amazon affiliate link to this and all the other products down below that we've mentioned. Again, they just make camping a little bit easier, and this has been everybody's favorite chair so far this summer. It is a love seat, so it's 2 people wide, has nice big cup holders in it, folds up pretty compact. It's obviously going to be heavier than a 1-person seat, but it does fold up fairly small, and it has a case for it, so you can haul it around that way. It's probably less heavy than 2 seats, but it's going to be heavier than what you're used to with 1 seat.
And I didn't think that it would be very supportive. I thought it was kind of actually a stupid idea until you got it, and it's really comfortable.
And it has storage pouches behind it, which is also really nice. So it's a good well-made, quality chair that we've really enjoyed so far camping.
Although we haven't been able to sit in it much this camp trip.
No, everybody else sits in it and we don't usually get a chance to sit in it. But we have taken this to Mackenzie's track meets, and it's been a nice thing for that also, because we can sit together watching Mackenzie. So not everything that we buy and try at camp is a success. We tried some magnet fishing this year. That was not a success for us. The Blackstone's been an all-time favorite, so I just wanted to mention it once again. This has made camping much better for us. We like the meals much better, and Jennifer likes it. It's a lot easier to clean up the mess out here than inside the camper or even cooking over the fire. Another all-time favorite is our Honda EU 3000 generator. I said in a previous video, we bought this I think in 2008, and it has been absolutely great, a game changer for RV dry camping. Take it across the country when we travel with the camper, take it along the lake when we travel. We'd buy this same one again, no doubt. If you do a search on our channel, you'll see several videos about maintenance and use of this Honda generator. It's nice and quiet, perfect for camping. Last but not least, thing that we've added this year is the jet ski, which I'm really enjoying. We've got the jet ski and the boat here with us. And they're both a lot of fun to use. Now, Jennifer commented on the way down to shoot here at the shore that she thinks the per minute cost is actually pretty high because she doesn't think we use these things enough. But to me, this is what makes the part of vacation relaxing, is that we're here at camp, we've got the boats right behind us, easy to just hop out, and even if you want to take a 5 or 10 minute ride, it's nice and calm and relaxing. So more videos to come on the new Sea-Doo, new to us Sea-Doo, and what to look for if you're looking for a used jet ski. But for me, that's been one of my favorite things so far this summer.
And probably Mackenzie's.
And Mackenzie's. Mackenzie spent each day, at least in the morning, going out and riding around, and then oftentimes later in the afternoon or in the evening. Input 70 watts from that 100 watt panel. So another great advantage to having the Jackery system, these nice lightweight 100 watt solar panels and the Jackery 300, is we use these at home for power outages. We had power outages last week where we were using the Jackery to power the laptop and some lights in the house. So that's another great use. So, you know, if there'd be a wide scale power outage or a shortage of gasoline and we can't use the generators, we want to make sure we have something like this that's kind of self-sufficient and we can do some minor electrical use with this. We still also have the Zamp solar panels, which are really helpful for camping and even at home, but they're a much heavier system than this nice lightweight portable Jackery system.
Well, I appreciated when you were traveling with work a couple weeks ago and Mackenzie and I were home by ourselves and we lost power. You were able to walk me through how to use the Jackery, and we kept our flashlights charged and our phones charged.
Yep. This is a great thing to have. I'll put the Amazon affiliate link to the 300 and the Solar Saga 100 panel. But remember, Jackery makes much larger systems too. You can do 500, 1,000 watt. I think there's even a bigger one than, I think there's even a size bigger than a 1,000 watt now, which would be perfect for powering something like an RV or a small off-grid cabin. If you like videos like this, make sure you give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. It helps out the video, helps out the channel. And if this video entertained or informed you in some way, please consider clicking that subscribe button and follow us as we test out products and enjoy rural living and camping. We do a lot of videos about chainsaws, firewood, tractors, boating, camping, things like this.